Hi, my name is Nurit and welcome to my channel. Today I have a special guest. This is my little dog. I want to make some clothes for her. So first I thought about making clothes from a scrap fabric that I have left over from a pajama I made last year. But then my son gave me all these neck warmers, which he doesn't like anymore. So I thought about using them maybe. Although this one, I think I use for something else. I have the creative juices are flowing, so I'm thinking I'll start with the scrap fabric, the pink, because she's so cute and she deserves pink. Every lady deserves pink. And we'll see from there if I make the other one or not. It depends on the time. I'm very short on time today because I still have to go to work. I'm late already, so I need a measuring tape so I can take her measurement. She has snacks here, that's why she's sitting so nicely and doesn't move. So I need to know what her neck measurement is. Okay, that's 24. I will write this down. Sorry, 24. Then I need to measure from her neck to the end of her back how long I want the jumper to be. 30 centimeters. Okay. And I need to measure around her tummy to see the biggest part. It's about 32. My pattern will be something like this. So this is what the pattern looks like, and let's get started. I can let her go now, but she's waiting so nicely because of the snacks she got. Okay, so I have my fabric folded in half, okay? And the length of this scrap piece is precisely 30 something, so that's okay. I can use the whole bit. And I want to measure the neckline, so I need 15 centimeters, so something like this. Exactly this kind of half round. Since this is a fabric that doesn't fray, I'm not doing a lining. But if you have a fabric that frays, you either lock it with a zigzag stitch or do a lining and then flip it over. The other side, I want 16 centimeters length. So perhaps I'll do it like this. So that's it. Let's see. This is the pattern. Let's see how it fits her. Just checking, Lizush. Okay. And here. Okay. Looks perfect. So this is the pattern. No need to make any adjustments. Like I said, since this fabric doesn't fray, I don't have to do basically overlock or hemming, but I think I want to make it a double because I like it like this. I want to make it a double, so I'm going to fold it and cut another piece.
Movement so graceful, wildcat in the jungle.
Just spin it. And sew all the way around while leaving a small gap so you can flip it outside out. Okay, let's start.
With dangerous claws, movement she anticipates. A sight is set on her prey, like stars in the darkest night. Crystallized, fascinating. If you wanna stay alive, if you don't wanna be her prey, don't stand in her way. Run, run, run away. Crystallize, 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 watching her prey. Crystallize.
So I left an opening so I can flip it inside out. But first, I want to cut the excess fabric, all the corners.
Don't stand, don't say, don't look back, she anticipates. No chance if you become prey. Two stars in the darkest night, her crystallized fascinate. Her movements, she feels your heartbeat, an animal fear. Her beauty is unreal, just beat feet out of here.
If you wanna stay alive, if you don't wanna be her prey, don't stand in her way. Run, run, run away. Crystallize, 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 fascinate.
Don't stand, don't say, don't look back, she anticipates. No chance if you become prey. Two stars in the darkest night, her crystallized fascinate. Her movements, she feels your heartbeat, an animal fear. Her beauty is unreal, just beat feet out of here.
If you wanna stay alive, if you don't wanna be her prey, don't stand in her way. Run, run, run away. Crystallize.
So that's it. Almost done. So this is what we got. This part will be closed by her neck. Okay, so I want to put a velcro here, and this part will be closed around her tummy. This is the back. So I will sew the velcro now. I bought a black velcro yesterday, especially for this project. That's all. I just need 2 black squares. So 1 black square I will put on this side and the other on this side, so when it folds it will stick. Okay. Okay. So a square, and now on the other side, but not mirror, on the flip. Okay, so we can close it. Open, close, open, close. It works, so that's the main thing. So now for the neck. Same. And that's it, we're done. Finally. It wasn't too bad. It was rather quick. That's it. Time to measure it on my dog. So here we go, the moment of truth. Let's see if it fits. And if she likes it. Okay. I think it's nice. I'm pleased. Looks very nice. She doesn't look so pleased to be on camera. Writing brush. Bye. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you. I'll see you next week.